your duty to provide security. And we can't tell any woman today in our country who's in the workforce that you will not work at night. How can you say that women should not work on night
Exactly.
duty?
Precisely.
Women will have an objection if you keep them from working.
Exactly. And to limit us to a 12-hour shift. In fact, many of the junior residents work for 36 hours flat out. Now, this is directly impinging on gender and being employed at all.
Completely right.
That is one.
The point.
We'd like, and second point, I have a second point, Your Lordship. I have a second point. Second point pertains to investigation. One is on this policy, Your Lordship is seized of it. I will leave it at that.
Women don't want concessions. They want equal opportunity in terms of safety.
In Anuj Garg's case,
why should we prevent a woman doctor from working in the night?
Or 12 hours. Why limited to 12 hours, Your Lordship? Because junior doctors work for 36 hours. Now, women will never be
Should
taken.
be for all doctors. 12 hours working time is for all doctors. Don't
Actually, whatever the shift,
exactly.
women doctors are ready to work in exactly the same conditions.
Absolutely.
In terms of time.
Exactly. In Anuj
Well, let's not undermine them. Undermine the lady doctors.
This has to be
There is no issue, Malaj. We'll notify it. We were just worried because there is no security in place at the moment.
No, but
I want to make sure.
Saying this
I want to make sure, Malaj, that something like
the answer to it is you must ensure security is in place.
I know, Malaj, that's
You
the
can't
point.
tell women that you will not be
This
working
is
after.
in addition. It says in addition. This is not. This is only temporary. But if your lordship wants, we'll no issue.
This itself is
the
offensive,
state
Your Lordship.
says that it cannot provide
Hold on.
security. The center is.
We are ad item. If
In Anuj Garg's case,
No,
Your Lordship
Anuj
frowned
Garg
upon
you're right. We said that look,
romantic paternalism.
The law, the provision of the Act, Punjab Excise Act was
Absolutely, exactly.
that any establishment which serves liquor
Can't have
will
women
not have a woman. We
employee.
stuck it down.
of course you should strike it down, Malaj. There's
But
no issue.
therefore, two things, Mr. Bal. I think the state of West Bengal must immediately correct its notification. You cannot say that women will not work more than a 12-hour shift. If men are working more than a 12-hour shift,
They want to
they are entitled
They
to work
want to.
exactly at par with their male counterparts.
We'll issue a notification, but not an issue.
Your duty to provide security. And we can't tell any woman today in our country who's in the workforce that you will not work at night. Pilots work at night,
Call
doctors work
centers.
at night,
Call center.
your armed forces,
The armed forces work.
women work.
My second point, Your Lordship. Second point
I-
on investigation itself. Again, it's a suggestion which has come from these doctors for patients. They say that apparently there are many people who possibly have information regarding this incident. And because of fear of retribution, they're not coming out and openly giving this information.
That is our
CBI.
problem also.
Therefore, may I just
Yeah,
finish,
please.
Mr. Mehta?
No, I'm
The question
supporting you.
here is- thank you. The request here is for an anonymous portal because Your Lordship, the cyber crimes portal today has an anonymous portal for crimes. Also, this court, in the case of videography of child pornography, specifically said you should permit anonymous complaints and a specific portal should be set up. Our request today is to aid this investigation and to hopefully finally get the culprits. We need an anonymous portal which the CBI will set up because many people don't want to disclose their identity even to CBI. And that is a fact today because of the nature of the matter Your Lordship has seen. We support no particular side here, but the point is people are scared. So if they can be enabled to give their complaints anonymously. Third is on Wikipedia, which is not part of my IA, but since Your Lordship said the photo is not there,
Yes.
the photo, Your Lordship, is not there on the Wikipedia website. But after the girl's name is mentioned, there are two footnotes. The first footnote refers to an article which is not an Indian journal. It's outside India, but that article has a photograph. So that footnote is also problematic because I just clicked on it on my phone when this discussion happened, and that takes me to an article.
While editing the order, I'll make sure that we cover that.
It's an external link, reference 1 and
All right,
reference 2.
thank you. Mr. Sibal,
Phenomenal.
thank you.
But only one to respond to Malad, she is right. We are also facing this difficulty. People are afraid to come forward and speak. Malad, we are ready to have an anonymous platform. The only difficulty in that would be, which is Malad, our difficulty, that there would be several things Malad, sent on that which are completely irrelevant, but we can't help it.